Yep, momentum means that be with the force. Okay, always make sure that you can maintain the speed by understanding the momentum with it. For example, here you go low, and when you approach going up, you expand. Yeah, going low again, and get yourself ready to go for the next move. Up. Just came back and have been doing one Surfskate session in the past 3-4 months. Hey, um, every time when I didn't surfskate for very long, when I come back, the first thing I'll do is how to feel the momentum, how to maintain the momentum when I'm riding. As long as the flow is there and as long as I can keep the speed, everything will come back. Okay, because our body will follow the build up of the momentums as well. Okay, so what I'll do, yeah. So later I will have a video and show you. So this is what I do. Just go onto the bowl or go onto the slow or anything. Okay, the compress is like a spring, and then extension is like a spring when it extend. So basically, when you're going down, you compress. When you're about to go up, you extend and pull yourself up. And then when you reach the maximum already, turn your body, compress again to come down, extend to come up. Okay, so by doing that again and again and again, then my body starts to get the timing right and also the feels right. Okay, don't think too much of any skill or any tricks first. Just go down and up, and then feel the force up. Okay, and then slowly you'll find out that everything will come back. Okay, up, and then compress again when you go down. Then extend, compress, extend. Okay, by doing this also your body will get very used to the balance as well. Because at the end of the day is how you I got response to the board movement anyway. Okay, yeah, extend and just do. Okay, especially you are not thinking of the skill, right? Then you can focus on feel the board and then also feel the momentum of it. Do not let it stops. So how to keep it going, that is a key. Yeah, up and then slowly go down and up. See, after I've been doing a few rounds, then you can see that it's smoother now on the transitions. And by doing this also, you will increase your stamina because the compression and the extensions will take up a lot of energy. But that's the fun of it because you have a better control. Of course, one of the best thing to go Putrajaya Challenge Park is this. You can find nearby the Challenge Park, and it's only 7 ringgit nasi kerabu and beef.